Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am doing a quick swatch review and tutorial on the Cover FX Power Play Concealer, which is the most recent concealer I've been playing with. It is $30 for 0.33 ounces of product, and as you can see, it is very small and is the length of my pinky finger and width of my thumb. So here it is. I particularly got the shade G Light 2. There are 30 shades available. Here is the applicator. It is very thick and round, has a circular tip, which is very unique out of all the concealers I have used. So when applying, you might want to dot it if you are directly applying it to your face. But that is what it looks like. Here is the as much product as you get with the swipe of the whole one dip into the concealer. This is the blending brush that I'm going to be using to apply it to my face, and that is the shade that it looks, which is G Light 2, and there are different undertones that you can choose from, but I chose the particular undertone G, which equals golden, a yellow warmer hue to the skin, which is what I prefer. And again, I am using this concealer for highlighting my face only, so I applied it to the highlighted parts of my face or parts where I want to cover the dark areas, like the sides of my mouth and under my nose and around my nose, which is what I usually do. I don't prefer very cakey looks, so I prefer the natural looks. So what I do is I do not use foundation or primer, and I just use concealer. So in my opinion, the best finish of blending this concealer out is the blender, beauty blender, or any blender, and you get that natural finish. And also this formula feels thick at first, but when you blend it out with the beauty blender, it feels very hydrating and moisturizing and has a beautiful natural finish. So this is the tutorial part of the video, and as you can see, even though that shade G Light 2 is very light, it definitely blends out into my skin for a natural finish without making it too makeup-y looking. But I used it under my eyes, on the highlights of my forehead, in the center of my nose, under my nose, and around my mouth and chin, which is what I usually do. But let's go ahead and talk about it. It is a long-wearing, crease-proof concealer with weightless full coverage that also provides next-level pollution defense. It's vegan, cruelty-free, clean, and the product is free of parabens, fragrance, mineral oil, talc, gluten, sulfates, and phthalates. Again, you get to choose from 30 other shades, and you can also use it for concealing and contouring and all that. But we're going to go ahead and go back to this tutorial. I'm going to show you what it looks like with a setting powder, but in my opinion, it really doesn't need a setting powder. It's definitely a glowy natural finish without the powder, but this is the Lawless Brightening Translucent, which is a matte powder, and I just wanted to show you what it looks like. And for reference, my skin is dry to normal. It's medium to tan olive skin. I do have a yellow undertone, but that is what it looks like with powder setting this concealer. But that was my video, guys. Hope it helped you out in any way that it could, and I will see you guys all next time in my next one. Bye, guys.